This is always a good selling model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular model year, 1966 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop or sports coupe. 283 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome. Bright work up front. Nice shape. Original ermine white car. C-C paint code, so this was a solid color car. And again, in ermine white. Red interior, 874, so red cloth interior. This car still looks very much the way it would have looked back in '66 when it rolled off the Chevrolet dealer's showroom floor. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on steel wheels, Chevrolet wheel covers, white wall tires. Kind of one little dinger up here, if you can kind of see it right there. Well, this paint shows well on this car. Nice shine to it. You can see panels are nice and straight, front to rear. Bright work around the windows, mirror, looks good. Free of any real major, I guess, nicks, dings, or scratches. That's that small one up front I showed you. Interior appears as if it could be original. Nice looking interior. Cloth, vinyl combination, rear speaker, that would have been an option on this car when it was new. So very stock looking on the inside. I have had the wipers working. Heater blows hot. Radio powers up, but I was not able to pull in any stations or get reception. There you can see a good shot down that side, how nice and straight those long panels are. Paint has nice shine to it. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome and the rear bumper, also nice shape. Paint on the deck lid looking good. Some recent service work that was done to this car also I want to mention. It does have new brake shoes, all new wheel cylinders, front sway bar links new. Take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well on this driver's side. Panels nice and straight also. If you're an Impala fan, no matter what year, maybe just like 66s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And again, you can see paint has a nice shine to it down the driver's side. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, you may have a small imperfection here or there, but I'm talking pretty minute. But we want to point them out for you. Take a little closer look at the interior. I've not noticed any major rips, tears, or holes. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood at the engine bay if you stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Top of that dash looks like it's in nice shape. What about the headliner? Headliner looks good. Be a fun car, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This is one of those get in, turn the key like this, fire it right up, go have some fun. Smooth runner. Again, had the wipers working. Radio powered up. Did not get it to have a station or reception. Heater blows hot. Door closes nicely. It's a solid car. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust goes. Let's slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and like I said, stick around just a little longer. Take you for a virtual ride when Jason goes down the road with this one. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy like the rest of the car. Here it is, 283. Air correct engine, power steering. So very stock looking engine bay. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in between drives or maybe while it's in storage. Sounds good. Nice idle. 2-barrel on there, just so you know also. Be a nice cruiser. 1966 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop or sports coupe. Looks pretty original compared to how it would have been back in 1966. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. This is the 2-door fastback Chevrolet Impala from 1966 with a red interior and a white paint job. Red bench seat inside this car. Very nice condition interior. Paint also looking good. Turn signal indicators are working. Speedometer also working. The wipers work on this car. The fuel gauge is showing between half and a quarter of a tank. Nice smooth ride out of this car. Smooth acceleration. Factory horn is working. There's a slight wind whistle from the right side wing window, and probably just adjusting that opener closed a little bit will fix that. Very comfortable car to drive. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays in the middle of the lane. One of the more desirable Chevrolet Impala body styles, the 66 fastback. I don't see the minute hand ticking, but the car is clock equipped. Right here in the dash. Corners as it should for a 66 Impala. The transmission does kick down properly, and acceleration is as you would expect. Very nice driving 66 Impala. Check out all the details and learn about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.